Our brain is an incredibly mysterious place. It's just like being in a black box. It can see or feel the world outside. Whatever we experience, sight, sounds, and feeling, is filtered to our senses, signaled to our brain, and most of the time judged by our brain to our past experiences. That's why understanding of who we are becomes so complex. Our thoughts comes to us completely unorganized and cluttered. And our perception of who we are is always lost in this mental maze. But what if there was a way that we could give more structure and meaning to our thoughts? That's when journaling comes in. When we journal, we are not just only putting the words on a piece of paper, but we are engaging our brain to this powerful feedback loop. It's just like reversing the process, this time from our brain to our hand to piece of paper, and then back to our eyes and again to our brain. In this way, we are not only writing our thoughts, but we are selecting what matters and giving a chance and a power to our mind to see and understand the perception of who we are beyond those passing feeling and distractions. Today, I want to talk to you about 5 ways of journaling that help me personally to be more stable, to be more selective of what my thoughts are, and to help me to understand who I am. So it can help you as well. The first method is a free writing. Let go of a structure. Allow yourself to write down whatever comes to your mind. Set a time for 5 to 10 minutes. Write down whatever comes to your mind without editing. In this way, you let your subconscious thoughts and reveals those structured thoughts that may are hidden somewhere in your brain. The second method is a gratitude journal. Our mind is most of the time is engaged with a problem that happened during the day, not the solution. But by writing whatever you're grateful during the day, science shows that you can rewire your brain to more positive way. This habit of writing what you're grateful about every evening, it helps you to be more grounded and have a more positive mindset. Another method is a reflective journaling. It's all about writing down the experience you had during the day or even during the week, whatever you learned, whatever challenge you had. It's just like having a personal conversation with yourself. This allows you to understand the pattern of your mind and let you understand how different events can emotionally affect you. This method is really helpful for your personal growth. Another method is a goal setting. It's all about writing your goals and your ambition. In this way, you help yourself to break down your goals to smaller steps, and it keeps you more accountable. And because it gives you the feeling that is more manageable. Each time you write down and celebrate a small achievement that you had, it keeps you more committed to achieve your goal. And if, unlike me, you are very much organized and you don't have that much time of journaling, bullet journaling can be very helpful to keep you organized. Bullet journaling is something mixed between journaling and planner. Every night you can write down your plan for next day, and in the morning you check every steps that you took, and it helps you to stay organized and focus on what you have to do. Journaling shouldn't take too much of your time. It's important to choose the method that resonates with you. Try it for a week and you will see how much more clearly you see your thoughts and how much more your life will be organized. Whether it's a sentence or a page, give yourself, allow yourself this gift of awareness and let the journaling be a tool to discovering yourself. Write down in a comment below which method resonates more with you. If you're a fan of journaling or you're starting out, I'd love to know about it. And until next time, happy journaling.